Hey, what's going on, guys? John Shea here with the No Shame Income vlog, and today I'm actually going to be doing a review of a product called Raiid. So this is actually a software and training that's going to allow you to go out there and actually start earning more money from your affiliate promotions, specifically utilizing a platform called Clickbank. Clickbank is actually one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms, and combined with the Raiid software, you're going to be able to go out there and actually build these websites where you can promote more of your Clickbank products and earn more commissions going out there and actually, promoting these products as an affiliate. So what I want to do in today's review is actually go through, I'm going to walk you through the JV page, show you some of the things that you're going to get if you decide to pick up Raiid. I'm going to walk you through a little bit about basically some of the bonuses that I'll be giving you if you decide to pick up Raiid through my link. And then I'll actually walk you through the software itself and show you the back-end dashboard so you can kind of get an idea of what it's all about. So let's first start with the JV page. I noticed at the time that I decided to put this together, they did not have the sales page 100% put together, but there's enough information here that I can give you a pretty solid idea of exactly what Raiid's all about and what the software is. So I'll just read off some of the things that they had noted. Raiid is a new and simple affiliate system designed with newbies in mind. Software and system enables anyone to instantly unlock the massive resurgence in the granddaddy of all affiliate platforms, Clickbank. It never went away, but in 2020 it's booming. Raiid combines 3 proven, tried and tested elements to make generating daily affiliate commissions simple, viable, and consistent for everyone. So they basically have a 3-step process where you go through and you do research to find the best Clickbank products, what's the most highest converting products, what's selling really well. Then you actually go out there and create content, and it will actually find content for you, which is something kind of unique about this software. And it will then go out and create posts where it will embed your affiliate links inside of those posts. So we'll do a demo of this in a bit, but the cool thing about Clickbank is there's so many niches that you could do this in. You could go out there and build sites in like the health and wellness niche. You could do stuff in the internet marketing niche. There's tons of different opportunities, and that's kind of where you're able to now go out, find content, and basically in return go and promote these offers. And then obviously the third piece of this is getting traffic, right? Syndicate each of your Clickbank content posts across multiple high traffic platforms with built-in links. And it's all evergreen. So Raiid builds assets for passive results while it generates affiliate profits in the short term. So that's a very basic idea of what it's all about. We'll go through and I'll show you the dashboard here in a bit. But first, let me walk you through some of my bonuses and talk a little bit more about that. So next, the bonuses and what I put together with this is basically a few extra things that I think are really going to enhance the whole Raiid software opportunity for you guys if you want to go out there and build these affiliate sites using Raiid, promoting Clickbank products. I wanted to give you guys a few exclusive bonuses I think will really help with this. So the first is my product launch success offer. This is basically a case study on how I went out there and created a product and launched it. So this might give you some ideas of like how to go about finding hot products, creating your own product, whether or not you want to utilize your other people's affiliate products. This is going to be a good little case study for you guys. The second is incognito. This is basically an affiliate marketing and training traffic membership area, so you're going to get full access to incognito. You're also going to get access to my side hustle profits guide. This basically goes through and gives you tons of ideas on how to make extra money online. The fourth bonus is a whole bunch of killer blogging conversion tips. So this is basically going to give you ideas. If you go out there and build these Raiid sites, you're going to have some really good conversion ideas of how you can really enhance those blog posts, get more traffic to them, and then ultimately make affiliate sales through your Clickbank offers. And then the fifth bonus is a product called the Secret Weapon. This is also an affiliate marketing and traffic-based membership area where you're going to learn all kinds of different tactics so you can get more visitors to your websites and ultimately earning more Clickbank commissions. So again, you'll get all those bonuses if you decide to pick up Raiid through my link. The next thing I want to bring up is basically what some of the one-time offers are. Now, if we go through the JV page, they do have a product demo, but I'll put a copy of that on my bonus page for you guys to go through. But the initial product is going to be about $17, and then they do have a few upsells. They have something called Smash and Grab, an agency bundle, Heist, instant traffic, and they've also got 1K week version too. So these are all kind of added bonuses. I do have access to a little bit more details on what these are all about. So basically with the base core front end offer, you can promote a specific number of products. You've got some limitations on how many domains and how many products you can promote, as well as how many different things that you can utilize for syndicating your products. But if you decide to go with the one-time offer, you pay a little bit more. You're going to get more domains, more usage to the products, unlimited domains, more syndication. So basically you can really enhance what you're doing with the software. Then they've also got all the same features as the front end with some additional add-ons. So you can automate, do some keyword and posting automation, embedding your affiliate links. So this will basically allow you to automate the whole process. Then they have something where you can add a pixel to one of their other sales pages where you could now go out there and run ads and basically target users from that page. They've got a reseller package, so if you want to go out there and resell Raiid and make full 100% commissions on that, they have an extra package for that. And then they've got some done-for-you offers, as well as some additional things that you could utilize here in that last OTO. So again, all of these are very optional. If it was me and I was maybe really interested in this, I'd probably maybe consider the first OTO. The second one is intriguing because of the automation, but the others don't sound like necessarily something that is related to actually getting the software to be functional. So let's actually go through and do a little bit of a demo of the app itself. So this is the actual backend of Raiid, and you can see these are all the different sites that were created. You can see the IDs that are specific to the Clickbank user, and you basically can see a date of when it was created, as well as all the different things that you can do to manage the site. So you kind of have an overall picture, high-level overview of all of this. So you can see how many active posts there are, pending posts, how many pages are on the site. You can go in and actually change the appearance of these sites. So you've got like a sidebar without the sidebar. You can change logos, the favicon. You can pretty much do all the basic stuff that you need. You can add a little author detail section, put an author name, description, your social media links, and beyond that, you basically have the ability to add all these content posts. So if I go in and I do posts, you can actually go in and pull other posts through what's called an RSS feed. So this is actually kind of powerful because if there was some really good information out there about a particular topic or product that you want to promote on Clickbank, you could go pull all this content, maybe spin the content or rewrite some of it in your own variation, and then you can actually get this posted. You can also create your own unique posts as well if you want to do that. So it does kind of give you like a little bit of a blog builder. And basically, once your finished site is done, you can upload your own logo. So you can see they're just using the Raiid logo, your own image, your name, a little author bio, and then you've got your whole blog post. So in this case, it's just kind of a very basic example. But you can see this is a blog post called Cooking Video Keto Garlic Bread. So obviously you probably want to put a little bit of work into this. But you can see where they sourced it from, some of the keywords that are linked here, which then link out to other relevant sites. And then they've got a natural PCOS diet. I've never heard of that. But essentially this is a link which then goes to Clickbank. And of course my pop-up blocker loves to block Clickbank for whatever reason. But basically this is the product here that they're promoting through that blog post. So this is a whole thing about this particular diet, and this is like a $20 ebook. So if someone were to go and buy this, you can see that the affiliate link is now credited up here with this Jason's 112. So if you were going out there, let's say for example, and you're creating all these posts, you're doing stuff around, let's say it was the health and wellness industry, diet industry, you could basically be constantly creating content where you're then pushing people to go buy this ebook for $20, and every time someone buys that through your website, you're going to earn a little bit of an affiliate commission. So it's pretty straightforward. I mean, overall, again, this is something you could do with WordPress, but I do like that they're actually giving this to you as kind of an all-in-one package. The site layout looks pretty good. You have the ability, obviously, to quickly and easily like import Clickbank offers and basically utilize that through the posts. I've seen content in the past where they pull from these RSS feeds, and you may run into some issues with duplicate content, but that's not really too difficult to get around if you just simply work on editing the posts, which is why that I gave you my bonus all around basically, coming up with better conversion tips for your blog. So this is going to give you ideas on how you could go out there and basically make these blog posts convert into more sales. And if you're creating lots of content and you go after like kind of low-hanging fruit keywords, things that maybe people are still seeking out but aren't necessarily super competitive, you now have this opportunity to get people coming to this website automatically, reading about the content, and then making a decision if this is something that they want to get. If they then go through and buy, you're going to earn a commission for it. So there's actually another affiliate offer type product that I've gone through that follows a very similar concept, where they're essentially creating tons and tons of content, going out there trying to rank for all these different things. And in reality, the end game of that is to have lots of free traffic, organic traffic from Google, which then will lead to you getting affiliate sales from your website. So the concept of this is pretty sound. I mean, it's not going to be quite as in-depth as what you're going to get with like a WordPress site, but some of the functionality of what they built into this, let's see what else they have. I hadn't actually, they go through all the setup of everything, how to create your account, how to search for products, finding suitable products, domains, how to add products. So they basically got everything that you need to know about setting all this up. If we go back, I wanted to try, if we go to product, this was something interesting. So let's just say we did like fitness. Let's see what this comes back with. So basically, this is actually searching the Clickbank directory automatically for you based on the keyword you put in. And then it's giving you some basic data on all of these things. So if I wanted to get more information about some of these, so here's like one called Ultimate Power Fit. You can see the gravity is at 0.84. This is like a metric that they use to kind of determine, is this a popular product? And then you can see how much money you'll make on a sale and what the average percentage of the sale is. So if I hit preview, this will actually send me to Clickbank, and I can go check this out and kind of see like what's the sales page actually look like. So this is the particular product here. It's like a $7 offer. And if I click on promote, I could basically now enter the topic and go find some related content to this particular product and then have that posted in the site, and then simply go back and make edits to it. And then now I've got a published offer that I can now start earning some affiliate commissions from. So again, fairly straightforward. Again, just as a quick reminder, you guys are going to get all 5 of my bonuses if you pick up Raiid, my product launch success, incognito, side hustle profits, killer blogging conversion tips, as well as the secret weapon. So these are some really good bonuses that you're going to get if you decide to pick this up through my link. Be sure to check that in the description below. And if you have any questions for me, leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you.